Welcome back, everyone. This is Canadian immigration lawyer and ex-immigration officer Mark Holthe back with another Express Entry Q&A. Today's is all about provinces. Which province should you choose for Express Entry when you're completing your application? Now, on the surface, many of you will probably think, okay, which one is going to give me the best chance of immigrating to, or which province is the one that I should click in the box? Should I select all of them? Should I select only one? Will it increase my chances? Well, the short answer is it really doesn't matter except for one thing. And that one thing, I guess, becomes two. The first is that when it comes to Express Entry, it is not a Quebec-based program. So part of all of the economic programs that form a part of the Express Entry system, you must demonstrate an intention to reside outside the province of Quebec. Let's flip over here and take a look at it. So this is the Immigration and Refugee Protection Regulations, and this is where it comes from. So if you want to be a smarty smart pants, all you have to do is look at Regulation 75.1, where it specifically states that the federal skilled worker class is hereby prescribed as a class of persons who are skilled workers and who may become permanent residents on the basis of their ability to become economically established. Okay, that's all fine and dandy, but what we're focusing on here is in Canada and who intend to reside in a province other than the province of Quebec. So that is the key, intention to reside. What makes the biggest difference for you guys when you're trying to consider this? Well, right off the bat, if you're going through Express Entry, you would better not intend to reside in the province of Quebec. And that, you guys, applies equally whether you're going through the federal skilled worker or if I shift over here in the Canadian experience class, if you're inside Canada. So once again, you have to show that your experience, that you can economically establish yourself in Canada, and your intention is to reside in a province other than the province of Quebec. So many people I have found have not realized this. They've maybe got a job offer or an opportunity in Quebec where it seems like their employment's going to be the best. So when they're filling out their profile, and then later, remember, you can fill out your profile and choose whatever you want. But when it comes to the EAPR, after you've got your invitation to apply, that's where people run into problems because they select, okay, I'm going to live in Montreal, Quebec. Well, the moment you get that, when it gets to an officer, they will refuse it because of this. They will refuse it here under the Canadian experience class, and they will refuse it under 75.1 of the federal skilled worker class. So when you are completing your application, first, it's never Quebec. Second, if you have been nominated by a province, then you had better choose that province. All right, that sums it up for today. Hopefully that answered your question about which province should I choose. Yes, choose the one that's going to give you the greatest chance of getting a nomination. Yes, if you're going through Express Entry, the province that you choose is going to be the one that's either nominated you, and it is not going to be the province of Quebec. All right, we'll see you shortly for another Express Entry Q&A.